Congratulations on your investment in Caraco's new Ultra Tech Clean Machine. Finally, a solution to clean and sanitize our homes without the use of toxic chemicals. You'll save money by not purchasing harmful cleaning supplies, and you'll live in a healthier environment. After opening the box and removing everything, you'll notice the accessories. We'll show you how to use each one later. Now let's get started. Make sure your unit is unplugged before you begin. Start by opening the flaps and remove the cover. If you notice that your boiler reservoir is a little wet, that's because every unit is tested at our factory. Remove the cap and use the red funnel to add water to the reservoir. Do not use distilled water. Use tap water only. Make sure to completely fill the reservoir all the way to the top. This is the collection basin where all the dirt from the vacuuming will go. Fill the collection basin up to this line. Make sure that you have water in the basin anytime that you are vacuuming dry surfaces. Now let's add some aromatherapy in the basin. The unit comes with one free bottle. You can order more scents from customer service. Never put aromatherapy in the reservoir. Use Caraco's aromatherapy as it is organic and all natural. Put the top back on. Close the flaps. Plug it in. And press the steam button to turn it on. And we're ready to go. Next, let's attach the hose. Once it clicks, you know you've got that part in correctly. Now we'll take the electrical with the flat side down. It'll beep twice and you're ready to go. We have full control of the machine from the handle. The circle button on the handle is for the vacuum controls. The trigger activates the steam. The red switch will lock the trigger for safety. The machine can also be controlled on the back of the unit. The button with the fan symbol activates the suction. The vacuum function has 3 speeds. If you push and hold the button, the machine will change speeds. Once you arrive to the desired speed, remove your finger. When vacuuming, use the lowest speed for delicate items, medium speed for large amounts of liquids, and high speed for small amounts. If the boiler is on, the machine will balance the power consumption and will only operate on the first 2 speeds. The button with the steam symbol on the back of the machine activates the boiler for steaming. The boiler light will be flashing for about 5 minutes. Once ready, the light will stop flashing and it will turn solid. The round knob on the back of the machine is for controlling the steam. Turn it towards the minus side to reduce the flow of steam, or turn the knob towards the plus side to increase the amount of steam. Now we'll take a look at our accessories. We'll start with the extension tubes. One features an ergonomically adjustable handle that's designed for both left and right-handed people. They click right into place, and for harder to reach areas, you can add the extension tube. Next is the floor and carpet accessory. Use the Squeegee attachment for wet floors. It's perfect for any type of hard surface such as wood, vinyl, marble, tile, and ceramic. It keeps any surface clean, sanitized, and completely dry. The carpet accessory is designed to keep the airflow while vacuuming your carpet. Next is one of my favorites, the Cobra Brush. It comes with 2 attachments and can be used in 3 ways. The brush with bristles removes dust and dirt from surfaces. The Squeegee cleans all wet surfaces from floors, mirrors, and countertops. Or use without any attachments to steam clean mattresses, curtains, sofas, and carpets. You can even order it in a larger size. The long stainless steel power nozzle is excellent for bathrooms and specifically toilets, as it can reach just about anywhere. The small dress fit nozzle comes with a variety of attachments for many different areas. The suction tube removes all dust and liquids and can be attached with any item. The big round brush can be used to clean any surface, specifically grout, and when you add the Caraco stainless steel scrubbing pads, it works even better on stovetops and ovens. The small round nylon brush is great for more delicate surfaces. The small stainless steel brush is amazing on hard surfaces, outdoors, like on grills and outdoor stains only. The Plunger is an amazing attachment to refresh and sanitize all your sink drains. And the duster brush goes directly on the hose, no steaming is involved, and it works strictly with the vacuum. Now that you have a better understanding of how this powerful new sanitizing system works, you'll be on your way to enjoying all the benefits that come from living in a clean, non-toxic, chemical-free environment.